Have you ever wondered why our sun is orbited only by planets? Why it has no companion star? Probably you haven't. It seems natural to us that our solar system has only one star, and yet many stars do have stellar companions. In this tour, we will take a look at some familiar stars in our night sky that are actually two or more stars together. So how do stellar companions come about? Most pairs, or binary stars, are born together. They are like twins, except that one star can sometimes become many times larger than the other. Sometimes gravity may bind stars together later on. Nearly all massive stars, those more than 10 times the mass of our Sun, have a stellar companion. Stars 10 times less massive than our Sun are almost all single. One of the great open problems in astronomy involves understanding the distribution of stellar binaries, their masses, their separations, and their evolution with time. Now, let's visit the brightest star in the night sky, Sirius. Sirius is actually a binary system made of Sirius A and Sirius B. This image of the Sirius pair was taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. Sirius B is about the same mass as our Sun, while Sirius A is twice the mass of our Sun. The two stars circle about one another, sometimes as close as 8 astronomical units, or 8 times the separation between the Sun and the Earth. They complete one orbit each 50 years. The binary star system Acrux is also visible in the night sky. Each star in the system is more than 10 times the mass of the Sun, and their orbit is more than 1,500 years long. If you could stare long enough at Acrux Alpha with a good telescope, you would notice that it appears to wobble in its orbit. This indicates that it is a member of a spectroscopic binary, which means that even with the best telescope, its companion cannot be visually distinguished. Instead, we sense its presence only because of its gravitational pull on Acrux Alpha. Alpha and its companion may be as close to one another as the Earth is to the Sun. Since there are 3 stars altogether, astronomers call Acrux a triple star system. The closest star system to our own, Alpha Centauri, is also a triple system. Mizar is another familiar nearby star. It is the middle star in the handle of the Big Dipper. It is one of the first binaries to be identified with a telescope. Careful observations eventually found that both stars also exhibit small wobbles in their orbits, meaning that each star has a second, unseen companion. Mizar is a quadruple star system. In 1996, very high-resolution observations were able to see Mizar A and its companion. Now, you are probably wondering, what about star systems with even larger numbers of stars? Systems with 5 or 6 stars? It turns out that the larger the number of stars, the more unstable it is to gravity. The extra companions would be thrown out of the system soon after it formed. However, astronomers don't know if such large systems can form at all. It may be a happy accident for us that our Sun is single. You can imagine that multiple star systems are a little too exciting for planets. 2 or more stars might interfere with the formation of planets or their orbits, making it difficult to form and sustain life. Extrasolar planet searches, such as the Kepler mission, may soon tell us about the existence of planets in binary star systems.